Hello everyone, my name is DANESH MURUGAN and my metric number is 2251564. Today I will present my individual assignment for the subject Global Threats and Roles of International Organization. The title of my presentation is What are International Organizations and why are they important in global governance? In today's modern world, countries are highly connected through trade, technology, communication and international relations. Because of this, global issues such as war, climate change, pandemic, terrorism, and economic crisis cannot be solved by one country alone. Therefore, international organizations play an important role in promoting cooperation, peace, security, and global development. Next is definition of international organization. International organizations are groups formed by countries or institutions to achieve common goals through the cooperation at the international level. These organizations help countries communicate, negotiate, create agreements, and solve global problems together. According to Cliff Archer, international organizations are formal structures of cooperation between states to manage shared interests and global challenges. Robert Keohane also explained that international organizations reduce uncertainty between countries and encourage cooperation. International organizations are important because they create a platform for countries to work together peacefully instead of solving problems through the conflict. In my opinion, international organizations are very important because modern global challenges are becoming more complex and no country can handle them alone. Second part is type of international organization. International organization can be divided into several categories based on their structure and function. The first type is intergovernmental organization or IGOS. These organizations are formed by government through agreements and treaties. Examples include the United Nations and the World Health Organization. Their main role is to promote cooperation between countries and address international issues. The second type is non-governmental organization or NGOs. These organizations operate independently from governments and usually focus on humanitarian aid, environmental protection, and human rights. One example is Amnesty International. The third type is regional organizations such as ASEAN and the European Union. These organizations involve countries from a specific region and focus on regional cooperation, trade, security, and development. In my opinion, each type of organization has different responsibility, but all of them contribute to global stability and international cooperation. Third part is function of international organization. International organizations perform many important functions in maintaining global peace and stability. The first function is maintaining international peace and security. These organizations help prevent conflict, promote peaceful negotiation, and support peacekeeping missions around the world. The second function is promoting economic development. International organizations provide financial assistance, support trade cooperation, and help countries improve economic stability and growth. The third function is addressing the global challenges. For example, international organizations help countries respond to climate change, pandemic, poverty, and environmental problems through the international cooperation. Another important function is promoting human rights and international standards. These organizations help protect human rights, promote equality, and establish international laws and standards that countries are encouraged to follow. Without these organizations, cooperation between countries would become more difficult and global problems may become harder to solve. Fourth part is importance of international organization. International organizations are very important in global governments because they strengthen cooperation between countries. First, they help international cooperation by creating platforms for discussion, negotiation, and partnership. Second, they promote global stability by reducing conflict and encouraging peaceful solution disputes. Third, They support sustainable development by helping countries improve healthcare, education, infrastructure, and economic opportunity. In addition, international organizations establish international rules and standards in areas such as trade, environmental protection, and human rights. These organizations also help create a more organized and peaceful international system that benefit countries around the world. In my opinion, international organizations are essential because they encourage unity, cooperation, and shared responsibility among nations. Next part is recommendation. To strengthen the effectiveness of international organizations, several recommendations can be implemented. First, countries should strengthen the international cooperation in solving global problems more effectively. Second, international organizations should improve transparency and accountability in their operation and decision-making process. Third, sufficient financial, technological, and human resources should be provided to improve their efficiency and effectiveness. Lastly, international organizations should encourage inclusive participation by ensuring that all countries, especially developing nations, have equal opportunity in decision-making process. By implementing this recommendation, international organizations can be more effective, accountable, and inclusive in creating a peaceful and sustainable world. In conclusion, international organizations are essential in addressing global challenges and promoting peace, security, and sustainable development. Through cooperation, transparency, and inclusive participation, they help countries work together to solve problems and improve the well-being of people around the world. By strengthening the role and effectiveness of international organizations, we can build a more peaceful, fair, and sustainable future for present and future generations. Thank you.